Hi guys, Bodie here from Peacemaker Studios, bringing you another video. And this is gonna be a vlog from Great Wolf Lodge. Oh yeah, we're here. Here's my dad. Here's my sister.
Hi.
He I don't know where he found his money, but he somehow got us this really nice room. They have literally a jacuzzi right next to the bed. So you can just roll out in the morning and go there. Or roll into bed. That's probably gonna be my bed over there. Why, I still do this. My camera doesn't work in the back. I'm so used to it at this point. Yeah, guys, I got a new phone. I think I told you this, but my front camera works now, so yeah. I'm gonna go take POVs probably at the water park. And I'll put them in this vlog, and I'll give my little review after I ride the slides. I'll give my review. I'll probably eventually make really in-depth reviews, but I'll just give my little review after. Harlow's gonna ride a couple of slides. Harlow, how many are you gonna ride? Just the kiddie ones?
I don't know what they have.
Oh.
It's been so long.
And my dad has no choice. He has to ride the big slides with me, because you need two people for them. They have just a big raft slide that just goes around, and they also have a funnel slide. So that should be pretty cool. Alright guys, I will see you at the water park. Alright guys, we are here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna ride the kiddie slides first, get POVs of them. And yeah. Test out my new case I got. Yeah, here they are. We can get an angle of the bucket. Alright. Wet. Very wet. I'm making sure there's no buckets, little buckets, Sebastian. What? Yep. Alright guys. Oh, please don't jump on me. Guys, I'm stuck under the bucket right now. And yeah. Oh, please no. Whoa. Whoa. Alright guys, just got off the first kiddie slide, and I mean, it was better than I thought it would be actually. It's not bad. I rode the green one, now the orange one. This one looks more compact, so logic says it should be more intense. One observation I've already made, this bucket dumps a lot. It dumps a lot of water and it dumps very quickly. Whoa! Whoa! Alright guys, those were not bad rides at all. They're actually pretty fun. Definitely better than I thought. They were not bad at all. So they told me they were going to be in the wave pool, and it looks like they just disappeared. I think we're going to try to do the mat racer now. These were not here when I was here last. These are new. Whoa! Yo guys, that is the best mat racer I have ridden. That is actually pretty intense. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of just look for my dad and my sister, because they just disappeared, it looks like. Yeah. Whoa. Honestly, guys, for tube slides, those are really intense. Oh my god, guys, there's body slides out there. Just noticed that. Oh, guys. I'm like, those look pretty intense. They might give Turbo Twisters a run for its money. We will see. So I just rode the blue one. So now it is time for yellow one. Alright, guys. Here we go. This will be a really bad body slide. I can even feel the seams in the tube. Whoa! Oh my god! That's insane for like a tube slide. Alright guys, quick update. I was mistaken, they are not body slides. They were just the mat slides. So, I have to go find my dad so we can ride the Howlin Tornado and that big green one over there. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I get there. Alright guys, change of plans. I have Carlo here now. And we're going to do the little kitty slide. They're pretty cool. Yeah, let's do them. They're better. Here we go. What, will you lean up? Like, were you up? Well, don't do that. Go on your back. It'll be better. Oh! Oh, here we go! Oh!
Be a bell?
Yep. Alright. All of us are under the bucket right now. Come closer. Come closer. Alright, we're good. Alright. Wait a second. Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Work out! Oh, here we go. Here's the drop. Spiking out.
Okay, thanks. Oh, why am I backwards? I don't like that. No.
This is fast.
Ah, jeez. Ah. Holy cow! Are you kidding me? This is worse than the other one. Are you kidding me? Oh, shoot. Here we go. Ah.
Guys, we just got back from the water park. We're gonna go later, but I think we're gonna jump in the jacuzzi for a little bit. But yeah, I forgot to vlog a little bit. Me and my dad did the green one. I forget the name. It's like Canyon Run. Like, I'll put it on screen right now what the name is. And we also rode the Howlin Tornado, which Dad, how'd you give your little review on the slide? Since we're not, I gave my little review, but because I know I'm gonna do my full review, but do a little review of the both slides. What about the tornado, like the funnel one?
It had some intense drops. It wasn't as bad as the one at Myrtle Waves, but I'd do it again.
Yeah, we might do it again tomorrow because I didn't get a good POV. What about the green one?
Yeah, I had to ride backwards, so that was a little weird with it, but I'd do it again.
Yeah. We might ride both tomorrow, but we only really need to ride the Howlin Tornado. And I don't really have a desire to ride the other one again, but yeah. Guys, I'll see you whenever we do next. Alright guys, we are here. I just did the lily pad things, and my dad cut the rear end of it, so yeah, there it is.
That was the best part.
Yeah. So we're going up to do the Howlin Tornado again because I got a bad POV last time. And I think my dad's gonna go backwards this time. Right? What?
Fun.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'll see you guys on the ride.
Alright guys, you see, sit tight, hang on tight, top tight.
Here we go. Oh, brother.
I would keep the flash.
Ah! Oh, boy. I'm holding tight. Oh, my God, it's so dark. Holy crap, and we're going to go right down and not see it. I hate that! Ah!
Holy crap, I didn't know this was gonna happen.
Ah!
I didn't know it was dark.
Oh, my God!
I didn't know it was dark.
Whoa! I hate that!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay guys, we just fell out of the thing. Alright, here we go. Here it comes. Oh. We just got back to the hotel room. Guys, that was insane. Me and my dad both just fell out of the tornado. Yeah, I definitely gotta ride that again tomorrow. I know that sounds insane, but here's the thing. If I don't ride that again, then my review of this whole place and that slide is just, it's not gonna be good. I'm just gonna say that. So I want to raise my opinion of that, but yeah, it's good clickbait. So yeah, it was not clickbait this time. Well, it was, but it was real. So I actually did fall out, and so did my dad. Honestly, I'm not worried about myself. I'm worried about, I was just like, I know like grown-ups and him, he's probably a lot like more vulnerable to hurting himself. So I was like, I wasn't really worried about myself. Like, I'm not really, I'm just worried about him. But he said he's worried about me, because apparently I know I busted up my shoulder pretty bad. Like, the first thing that happened is, like, there's this really crappy transition at the end, like, out of the funnel. Like, for real. Like, right here, when you go out of the funnel, when it drops down, it gives a bad airtime moment. And, like, that threw me out right there. You guys can see from the POV if you go back. Then, yeah, it's just, you can definitely tell when I lost it, but I might bring you guys on again tomorrow. I might not. I don't know. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna get in the jacuzzi because hopefully that'll help my shoulder, because it does I'm trying to be low-key about it, but it does hurt pretty bad. I don't think I broke anything though. If I did, then I would have told my dad, but I don't. It just feels like I just hit it bad. if it starts to feel like, cause I know what it kind of feels like. I know what it feels like to like break something, or like know when someone's up. This just feels like I hit it pretty bad. But if it gets to a point where I'm like, okay, I don't know about this anymore, I will tell my dad. So, yeah, I'm gonna go in the jacuzzi now and probably just watch some YouTube. I think I'm just gonna sign off here because this has been day one and we're not really gonna do anything else. So I'm just gonna sign off the video here. It's been a crazy day, guys. I really appreciate my dad bringing me here. It's been really good here. I wish we got to stay longer because we only have a little bit tomorrow. I mean, we have as long as we want in the water park tomorrow, but we have to sign it out of this room at 11 tomorrow, and then we have the water park for as long as we want, and then it's home time. I think I'm going to film a little bit of The Witches, my new movie. Well, it's not really my new movie, it's a recreation. It's a really good movie that I just really want to recreate, like I did with the Maze Runner with the Witch Trials. So, yeah, I'm just going to redo that. Alright, guys, I'll vlog tomorrow, too. So, yeah. Guys, as always, until next time, have a Cedar Fair day.